Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a Tidy Tuesday. Tidy Tuesday is where you take 15 to 30 minutes in one hot zone, hot spot, really bad area in your house and you just do a quick tidy. It is not a deep clean. It is not pull everything out and touch it. All of my stuff brings me joy, so I'm not getting rid of nothing. That's not true. But it's just a time to do a quick pickup. A lot of us, if we have to go through and pull everything out, we're going to get discouraged. It's going to be a big mess, and then we're just going to leave it. Then we're going to feel bad, and you have this whole roller coaster of things. So I decided to do a Tidy Tuesday in my home, in a specific space. I don't do it every day. I do it one day a week. And so what I'm going to be doing today is my garage, but not the table. Well, I'm going to be working on the table, but today I'm specifically working on the shelves. I had this shelving put in my house. Handy Mandy came over and put up the shelving about a year ago. And so as life has happened, I do entertaining and I have lots of pieces that I want to keep and I don't use them as often, but I have holes and spaces where I could actually put things closer together. I've got my roaster pans here. I've got some baking dishes that I use at Christmas time, and so I'm not using them all year long. I'm going to start shifting some things up. There are a couple things that are coming off of the shelves and we'll be finding new homes. Either we're going to give it to Goodwill or give it to someone we know that could use. But we're just going to take a few minutes to try to work with this space, clean off the table a little bit, and we invite you to come along with us. Alrighty, you guys, so there it is, another Tidy Tuesday. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But have we been able to fit a few more items on the shelf and rearrange a few things? We've cleared off pretty much our table, which is a holding cell for us. Absolutely. The kids and I will be coming back into the garage probably when it gets about March-ish because it is freezing out here, and we're going to actually do our spring cleaning. I have not jumped on the do it all in January bandwagon. I just have not felt it in my spirit, so I haven't done it. But as soon as March comes, the kids and I are going to come. We'll probably pull everything out and really get things arranged. We have a trash pile that we will get Handy Mandy to come over and haul away for us. She does it about once or twice a year, just not garbage, just things like we've got some extra wood pieces, some big boxes that we just can't haul. So she will haul those things off for us. But anywho, we hope you were inspired to tackle one area in your house. It took us 30 minutes and the kids all helped. Mom is done. We're getting ready for church. We're on our way out the door. So we'll see you guys at the next Tidy Tuesday. Bye now.